Recording.
Right, this appears to be the main road from Marrakesh down to, we're heading to Taroudant, I think, or somewhere close to it. And unfortunately this road, and a lot of people around here, you'll see tents by the side of the road, got royally fucked out of it by a earthquake last year. So that's no crack at all. Yeah, and unfortunately there was a couple of thousand people didn't make it, and since then things have been bad crack for a lot of the people around here. So even though this isn't a fun road to go on, my problems are few. There's bits of the roads that have been redone or worked on, but it's a big old effort. And judging by it, some or a lot of this road got rock slided on. So that's no use. So I'd imagine there's been a lot of work put in just to make the road passable at all. So the surface quality comes secondary. You just have to let people through and then fix the actual surface when you can. And just take it real handy. Some places they're just giving up on the existing road and rerouting it looks like, or choosing to build a different path and let people use the existing messed up road. But yeah, imagine the roads we were seeing earlier were a undamaged version of this, and the views around here are something else. I think I'd like to be on this part of the surface. There's an oncoming car here. Also, this truck has a gearbox. Oh yes, that's a gearbox, all right. Unless it was a cow. But my money is on gearbox. Yeah, in fairness, you probably need bricks up here, lads. Oh, fuck you anyway. Yeah, plenty of what looks like rock slides, or former rock slides along here. This would have been negative crack to be around.